Just the bass kick. As our title holders for this year, Mr. SNA is candidate number 3 and Miss SNA 2013 is candidate number Alan P. Quiroz and Jeffriza V. Polintan. Not the bass kick.
And thank you to all the people who have made this year's pageant a success. Thank you to all the parents, the makeup artists, and handlers, our sponsors, and the SNA family.
It has been a pleasure working again with you, Karen.
This is Karen Gail Bondoc, Miss SNA 2008.
And I'm Ray G. Yuma, and this has been Mr. and Miss SNA 2013. See you all next year.